morning, everybody. I don't even know what to say. I feel like I have alcohol seeping out of my pores. But we are at breakfast at the Windjammer, waiting for the ping pong tournament. It's at 9, and we didn't turn our clocks back, so we woke up at 8 thinking it was 9. So we just got some breakfast. Don't ask me why I have it, but I have fried rice for breakfast.
So we got the ping pong tournament that's going down in about 30 minutes now, so we're like, all right, cool, let's come get some breakfast. Like she said, like last night was wild, man. Like it
was lit.
It was lit in a great way. Like the DJ was incredible. Shout out DJ Rafa. He played an incredible mix. Like things were jumping from the time we got in to the time we left at 2:30, 3 o'clock. Yeah, like and it started at like
12:30.
At 12:30. So like yeah, he kept it jumping for a couple hours straight.
He had a great mix of everything.
Yeah, his mix was awesome. Like he played a mix of truly everything. Like it was exactly what you wanted to hear. So, but yeah, now we got another breakfast. So I got hash browns, eggs, and bacon. Keeping it nice and basic because I got the ping pong tournament. So I gotta be on point for it, you know. So we'll see how it goes. You know, we'll give you guys an update. I'm sure she'll get some video of it.
Breakfast was actually better than expected. I didn't know how I was going to feel about the fried rice for breakfast. 10 out of 10. Recommend. So he's going to do the ping pong tournament. I'm going to have a little spa day later, so I'll see if I can get some footage of that. What are your plans while I'm doing that?
I went ahead and entered the sexiest man competition. And your boy got 3rd place.
I don't know. I'm going to walk around the boat, play basketball, and who knows? I'll figure it out. I didn't even think about that.
But you're gonna be alone.
I'll be alone.
You're gonna be alone.
Yeah. I gotta take a nap, huh?
I know, I'm ready for my massage. I'll fall asleep for an hour and a half. Yeah. But that's gonna be our day. We'll take some pics and videos as we go, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
See you in a bit.
All right, everybody. So the ping pong tournament, it didn't go my way, to say the least. I don't know who invited every ping pong master that loves cruising onto the boat, but they were on the boat.
All right, we are out here. It's a hot day. It is a hot day. We getting ready to go on the Howling Abyss. We are here getting ready to go on the big purple slide that you guys always see at the back of the boat, and it's gonna be a good time. So we gonna see how it goes. All right, so a little update. We didn't even know, but right now is actually the time where only the key can people that have the key can get on the Howling Abyss. So it's like before 10 o'clock, anyone with the key can get on. And nobody else can, so that's kind of cool. So the line's not that long.
That's a big perk for the key.
Oh yeah. All right, we are here at the top of the Howling Abyss. It's at the back of the boat. There's 2 that you could go in. It looks like she's ready to roam.
You got this.
You got it. All right, you guys, so we are here getting ready to go down. I got my feet in the little pocket slide thing that they put you in, and we're getting ready to go. So we're just waiting on his go ahead. Hey.
3, 2, 1, go!
We just want to say thank you to everyone that's tuning into this video right now. It seriously means a ton. We just passed 50 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible. So if you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button to help support us as we try to reach partner and get that 1,000 sub mark, it would be awesome, as we're going to try to bring you as much cruise content as possible.
I didn't even go that far. Thank you very much. Woof. How'd you like it? Oh yeah. It wasn't as fast as I thought it would be.
I was flying.
Really?
Yeah.
You came out way before me.
I was zipping.
I don't know how. I think maybe your slide's faster. But yeah, we went all the way up from up there. Oh man, that was sick.
That was a good time.
Good time. Shout out to the Howling Abyss. Now we're right here on the boardwalk with playmakers, things like that. Oh, they got upcoming game times on the board.
Heck yeah.
That's awesome. So you can know when your favorite games are gonna be.
What is up, everybody? I just got back to our room from the spa. I did, Jerome didn't. I did the thermal treatment, like heat relaxing bed kind of thing. And then I had a deep tissue massage, and that was so incredible. I didn't even know there were so many pressure points on the body, quite honestly. So shout out to my masseuse, Jennifer. She was incredible. I was falling asleep on the table, taking a nice little nap. So next we have a specialty dinner at Cook's, I think. And then later tonight is a formal night. So stay tuned for the outfits and the food. It's gonna be good. What are we about to do?
We are about to go to Hooked Seafood, which was awesome. We also just had the Sexiest Man competition, which I got 3rd place in. So hopefully we'll be able to have some footage of that, which is absolutely awesome. I lost to a 68-year-old with the most riz I've ever seen in my life. Like, dude had all the swag. So totally fine with that. But yeah, now it's time to
Let's see.
go to Hooked. Let's do this.
Look at her, man. Look at her. That's my baby girl, man. How you doing?
Doing pretty good.
And now we are at Hooked Seafood, which is absolutely awesome. It's pretty stunning in here. It's really nice. It's overlooking the solarium, so it's really good views, really good, really good space, and we got a gorgeous seat. We get to be right here by the windows with this gorgeous thing right here. And here's the menu in case you guys want to see the menu. So we've got a lot of good stuff, but I ain't gonna lie, it's only one thing I think I want, man. That whole Maine lobster tail. Yep. If we go get seafood, we gotta go all out. So we'll give you a review on how it is, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we just got our first little dish.
Little bread.
Yeah, this is the bread that is complimentary, obviously. It looks like buttered garlic bread. So, yeah, so kind of like buttered Red Lobster biscuits, almost.
I don't know if it'll be as good, but we'll see.
As good as I hope it's better than Red Lobster biscuits. Red Lobster's banging though, I ain't gonna lie. At least the biscuits. But yeah, we'll give you a nice review, and yeah, these things look scrumptious though. My goodness. All right, so we got our starters here. The bread was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it tasted like a Red Lobster. It tastes like a Red Lobster biscuit, just like a little bit drier. Yeah, without the cheddar and like
more like the salt on top. Like it's more buttery.
Yeah, 100%. I definitely think it was drier. Like it was harder to eat. I had to drink some water while I was. Yeah. But I got the soft shell crab, which
We just learned what soft shell crab
we
was.
just learned what soft shell crab is, so it's pretty cool. Had to Google it, but it's nice. And then she got the clam chowder.
It's a clam and crab chowder.
Clam and crab chowder. I stand corrected. I
It's
apologize.
delicious. It's very good.
Nice. There we go. Then of course we got the patented Blue Hawaiian Blended. It is the #1 drink of a cruise ship.
That we've gotten on the cruise ship.
Yeah, exactly. Make sure that you guys get
We've
one
gotten
because
a couple others, but this is the go-to. for
yeah,
sure.
this is 100% the
This
go-to.
and then a Malibu Sunrise for me.
Okay, there we go. Like that. All right, we just got our food. Yeah, this is amazing. So I haven't tried anything yet because he just put it on the table. But my goodness, we got the
Captain's platter.
the captain's platter, which
And that's a branzino fish.
yeah, branzino fish. So a new type. It's options of salmon, cod, and branzino. And he recommended the branzino, so we're gonna try it. We got the lobster tail, of course. We got all the butter. We got the French fries, corn on the cob, mac and cheese.
Lobster mac and cheese.
Lobster mac and cheese because it's hooked, so you know. All right, let's go ahead and dig in. Let's try it. All right, so we are starting to get to that stage where we are full.
So full.
So how are you feeling? Give me a rating for each thing on your plate.
Okay, so the shrimp was delicious.
Okay.
The shrimp was really good. Dip it in butter, excellent, really good. They had a nice seasoning on it.
Mm-hmm.
The lobster is fresh and just, it's amazing lobster. I don't even know how else to describe it.
Oh yeah.
Branzino, I liked the branzino. And honestly, I've never had it before. It's kind of like the spaghetti bolognese. I've never had it, so like, I can't really knock it. Like, it's good. It was fine. The lobster mac and cheese, pretty good. I liked it. Not my favorite mac and cheese ever, but very good mac and cheese. And then obviously the corn is corn.
Corn was corn.
Corn was corn.
Sounds good.
I'm just really full.
Oh yeah, I will give my lobster tail a 10. Like that was honestly probably the best lobster tail I've ever had. The Benzino, as you can see, I just started on it, but so far it's not bad. It just tastes like normal fish. I don't know how else to describe it. It just literally
It's literally just
tastes normal fish. Like if you just the most basic way fish could taste, like it tastes. So it's good, but it's just fish. So, and then the shrimp I haven't tried yet. I'm
seasoning on it.
yeah, the Cajun. It's gonna be good. So overall, I'm not gonna lie. I came for the lobster tail. Like that was what I was really judging on, and the lobster tail was a 10 out of 10 for me. So I don't know about you, but there we go. So this is a little bit of a hooked review. So I hope that you guys can take it. Oh, and also the fries at Hooked. I will say, like, the fries are not that great. I will say that. But honestly, who comes on the boat for fries? Let's be honest. So, hey, this was absolutely incredible. We loved Hooked, and we'll probably be back, honestly. Who knows, man?
We are so excited.
Oh, yeah. We just had dinner. It was absolutely incredible.
A wonderful dinner.
And now we're at the Tap Factory, getting ready to start in a few minutes. And yeah, so we just got our seats in the third row, so it's gonna be pretty nice. So yeah, what you thinking? You ready for it?
I'm ready for it. I'm hoping there's good dancing. I'm hoping it's good choreography.
Yeah.
You know, coming from a former dancer, I'm excited.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good time. We'll let you know what we think.
Want to give a big shout out to our cruise director Ricky, who just got promoted to Wonder of the Seas. This was his first sailing as the cruise director, and let me tell you, this man made sure the boat kept all the hype in the world.
Yeah! All right, what is up, everybody? We just got done with the Tap Factory, which was absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna lie,
Awesome.
like seen a lot of shows before, but this one right here, this one was really cool. The tap dancers were incredibly talented. It was insane, and
the drummer was killing it. The tappers were amazing. The regular dancers, but I did like 4 different styles of dance. They pulled out like African moves and ballroom moves and jazz moves, and like it was just amazing.
Yeah.
And then there was this he did a flying pole. There was like this acrobatic, like he did a bunch of aerial work and everything. This like flying pole, he was busy spinning around and doing his thing.
Yeah.
There's a bone breaker. He was doing it like popping his joints and moving everything. He turned 360.
Yeah, that was a lot of people. It was to the point where everybody in the crowd was like, like, because it was like, bro.
He flipped his finger back at one point.
Yeah, I've
like,
never seen a bone
finger
breaker.
flat.
His finger went flat against his hand, and then he like slammed his fingers against the floor, and they all just touched the back of his palm, and he's fine. He's like, yeah, what's up? Like, what? Like, we're all just like, ugh, like.
Oh no! Oh my! What the?
But it's talent either way. It was very interesting. So
It was an incredible show. If you guys come on a Royal Caribbean cruise and they have the Tap Factory, would definitely recommend seeing it.
yeah, it was really, really impressive. Like it was really impressive.
Very
Me personally, the 2 most impressive people in the
Weren't
Tap
even
Factory
tappers.
were not the tap dancers. It was the bone
I
breaker
agree.
and the acrobat. That dude on the flying pole was insane. I don't like. How is he
Never
keeping his
missed
body
gym
up?
day.
Yeah, never missed a
Never
gym
missed
day.
a
Like, like he has to be an ex-Olympian that they brought in, because like I know they use ex-Olympians, so I wouldn't be surprised at all. Dude was
Like gymnastics or something.
incredibly talented, and he was dumb strong. Like my goodness, his abs were freaking
His
popping
abs
out.
had
Like,
abs,
yeah,
like-
exactly, like the abs on abs. Like what's an 8-pack? Like this dude had 12. Like it was insane. So yeah, either way, incredibly talented group of individuals. So I'm really happy that we did it. And also the cruise director, man.
Shout out Ricky, right?
I think it's Richard, Ricky something. It
Something like
starts
that.
with an R. He is absolutely incredible. This is his first time being a cruise director on Wonder of the Seas, and he has absolutely crushed it right
Stage
now.
presence
So
like nobody's business.
yeah, he's got the crowd control. He
Yes.
understands. Like that's exactly what you need in a cruise director. So shout out to him, man. He did incredible. So yeah, so we gonna take a nap real quick, and then we're gonna hit the club in 90 minutes.
Apparently we're not young adults.
Yeah, apparently we. We'll get to that later, man. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you guys in a little bit when we hit the club tonight. I don't know if we're gonna do a video, but who knows? We might. Either way, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want to see what we get into in Cozumel. Things get a little bit crazy.